Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the IMPORTFEED function in Google Sheets to pull RSS feed content automatically into your sheet. First, click the cell where you want the RSS data to appear. Now, type equals IMPORTFEED open parentheses. This function connects Google Sheets to an RSS feed. Inside the parentheses, type the RSS feed URL in double quotes. For example, paste the feed link from a blog or website. Next, type a comma. Now type the feed type in double quotes. Use the word items to pull post titles, links, and dates. Type another comma. Now type the number of items you want to display. For example, type 10 to show the latest 10 posts. Close the parentheses. Press Enter. Google Sheets automatically loads the RSS content into rows. You'll see titles, links, publish dates, and descriptions. This updates automatically when new posts are published. Great for content tracking, research, or monitoring updates without visiting websites. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.